There we are, another adventure. We're going to be at the, we're going to go through Chevys and Toyotas here. So, there we go. So, find new roads and some rice burners. Let's do it. So, it's the 2024 Grand Highlander. Oh, that bad boy, huh? Gonna go over here. Look at this bad boy. Look at that sucker, huh? That is the Corvette. Look at that sucker, huh? Oh my word. All new. I'll take it. Look over there. Got some, over here is $40,000 for this. Not bad. That's sad. That should be, this should be well into 70 miles a gallon. It's garbage. But anyways, Highlander, hybrid. Yeah. Find new roads, man. Oh, I love that color. Nice little cruise mobile. I can't get them all, but I'll try to get as many as I can. There's 36G for this one right here. Not bad. I don't know how good it'd be. I guess I could try to get in here, shall we? Oh, let's see if it. Go back, but it's not bad. I gotta have more room. I'm a fat boy. There's that pumpkin one over there. Kind of weird. Little rice burner. They want 38 grand for that bad boy. This is the grocery getter. Kind of nice black. Nice Toyota right there. Blue Lives Matter, damn right. That should be higher. That's garbage. The Tundra, higher than the Heroes. 27. That's not bad. 27 grand. See. I like that. I like that. I like cloth. I'm a big baby when it comes to leather. Especially if you're living out in Arizona or Nevada, somewhere it's hot all the time. Not a chance.
Good afternoon once again, everyone. Oh, we already have some green leaders, I think. Thank you for coming to join us again. And welcome to those of you that are joining us for the first time, actually. You can see we got the
pretty good crowd here for snow. Snow like a banshee.
Oh, once again, live. New show, new prizes. Why not?
Bad. Let's go places. Let's go say hi to her. Hi. Oh my God, it's Cowpoke. No.
New York, LA, almost everywhere.
Oh no. She's like, no. You want to go partying right here, man. Let's go this one right here, huh? Over here. What this one is, it's a Chevy Blazer. all the colors here. So you can, all these different colors they have right here. Cars, performance. Look at this bad boy. Oh, yeah. I'll just steal it. What do you think, huh? You want it? Let's jump in and let's go. No. That bad boy, huh? What do you think, huh? Would you say no? I know, but you would say no. You wouldn't say no.
I'm watching some video where somebody's working on a C6.
Right? Really?
Reverse clutch is shot.
Right.
Have you ever heard of Sparks Garage?
Which one?
Sparks Garage
Yes.
on YouTube?
Yes.
Right.
Right. Yeah, I've heard it before. What a bad boy. Someone's starting something up over there. Not bad boy. I like that blue. That's nice. It's nice Nice blue. It's a great, that's the Volt. I like the color. I don't need the Volt. I'll put a gas in that bad boy. Rip the gas, rip out the electric, put a gas in there. Must be free, not how much, 32 grand? Let me get over to some trucks over here. There's the Ford, it's falling down the road dead. I'm just kind of roaming around here. What do you think, huh?
Very nice.
I think she'd look good in that. You know, when's your birthday? Coming up here pretty soon?
Yes, over the summer.
There you
So
go.
it's
August or what?
Right, June.
Well, mine's August, so there you go.
Very
There's your
birthday present.
There you go, Valentine. Well, you know, there you go. That bad boy, huh? Go ahead. That's nice, huh? That bad boy. Oh yeah. That's the Lightning. Oh, nice. Like 58 grand they're going for now. Look at this one, right? Oh, look at this bad boy. Holy moly. Oh yeah. Yeah, nice. I'm sorry. I want gas in my truck.
Yeah.
I see, huh? What do you guys think?
I like it.
Real men like gas. Give me an eight-cylinder hog.
I was just getting ready to
Give me
say.
a hog.
You can't get that sound from over there.
Yeah, I'm a gangster like you. I want a gangster in a truck. I don't.
Yeah, there's no.
It's no fun.
You have to do software.
I want to watch my gas go down. You want to go here to California and whatever. Who cares? You know what I'm saying? This is for Nancy, boys. We're real men. Keep on. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here.
There is nothing in
Nothing to see there. I'll sneak you into the movie theater with that. Remember the old days?
Oh yeah.
That's right. Sneak you in. We don't want that bad boy. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Ooh, that's the RV right here. This is you pull your RV. This is your round. This is the one you want. I don't need a diesel either. You can't get in. What the hell's wrong with you people? Shoot. Bigger, no small tires. Come on, man. Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah, put the big mutters on that bad boy. This is the drive around your pop-up camper, you guys. Super. Yeah. Have the bed pull out, and I would have a thing go back and forth. You can put your tools in here, and I'd have a seat come back. You're okay. The seat would come up and come down. You can put your golf clubs back in there. Heck yeah. F350. It's over here. See, this is. I'm over here to Ford over here. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Please keep off displays. No, I'm gonna walk up there like an animal. That's not a Mustang. That's not a Mustang. I'm sorry. Look at that. Oh, the red. Oh my goodness. Let's go over here. Too much garbage in there. Look at that. Can't get any work in that bad boy. Nice little battery. What do they want for this bad boy? Maybe it's free. I don't see. Oh, $61,000 for a classic vehicle. Jesus. Look at that one over there, GMC. Oh. But anyways, there you go, guys. First video down. I brought a second battery, so it's coming out in May. Probably whenever it's coming out. Hope you're enjoying it. Auto show here. Here's the second one right here. It's 17 bucks to get in here, so we're doing also montage too as well. So, all right, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Okay. See you later.